You don't know what to do with yourself, huh? Come up.
Flower for you.
Thank you.
So you can see her good.
Look.
Yeah,
Oh.
Elle est à 3,500.
3,430 kg, ça va.
She's gonna have her first bath. Sweet girl. Honey, can you bring my slippers for me, please? Thank you.
Très bien. Vous me la surveillez juste 2 minutes?
Peut-être.
Là.
Tâche.
Voilà.
Ok.
Gardez-la 2 secondes.
Ok. Hey. Mm-hmm. Hey you, big girl. Hello. You're gonna get your first bath. First bath, you ready? You ready, Ellie? No crying. Oh. Cool. My baby girl is all fresh and looking sweet as ever. Look at those chubby cheeks. Aw, you opening your eyes for mama. Hello. Hi. Hey, sweet girl. Oh, she just finished feeding, having her good titty goodness, and about to chill right now. Well, Papa is going for Big Brother. Right? Sweet girl. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is the second day in the hospital, and we are doing amazing. We are doing well. I am feeling a little pain in my lower stomach, but it is normal, as the midwife says, because it's baby number 2 and my cervix is up high. It have to take its time and go back in its position where it's supposed to be, and each time I'll feel small contractions. So that's the pain that I'm feeling right now, contractions, but I'm getting tablets for it to kind of help the pain. So that's working for me at the moment, but I am doing well. Other than that, as you guys can see, baby girl is doing amazing. She's such a champ. She doesn't cry much, not even when she have on a dirty diaper. This girl don't cry. You really have to check to see if the diaper is dirty, but she's doing amazing. I can't stop just staring at her. But today she'll be meeting Big Brother. She'll be meeting Big Brother. So babe is heading out to go get Ty, and they're gonna come back together, and with Jen too. So that's pretty exciting. She got her first bath. She cried a little bit, but she was a trooper through it all. Yeah, so we're here and we're just gonna chill and heal and bond and take in the moments of with her and with Ty as he arrives in a bit. Well, let me show you her. There she is with her fat face. There goes my girl. Eyes wide open. Yeah, so we're just gonna stick around until Big Brother gets here. Lunch came and I'm gonna try and eat so I can take some tablet for lunch. They bring me spaghetti, pasta and meatballs, and I have a yogurt here. I have bread, and this is some kind of French pastry, which I'm sure I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna leave for babe. Yeah, and I have butter for the bread. Yes, I'm gonna try to eat this right now. Big Brother is coming. You ready to see Big Brother? Ready? Who is this? Who is this? Oh, you bring flowers from Mama and for baby sister?
Yes, it's for baby sister.
Yes. Who is that? Who is that?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, babe. Oh. Daddy,
What's wrong with her?
there's nothing wrong, baby.
Oh,
Daddy, who is this? Hi, Cuckoo. Who is this? We already do the board, Pumpkin. We did the board already.
Look, her hairband is the same color as your shorts.
Ty, who is this? You don't know what to do with yourself, huh? Come up.
flower for you.
Thank
Let me show you
you.
so you can see her good.
Look.
Look. Yeah, do so.
Aww.
Make me want to cry.
Baby sister's out.
Yeah, look.
We still see a bump, girl.
Mama.
Yes.
That's her?
You want to go clean your hand and come hold her?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for the flowers. Just put it in it.
Okay.
Okay.
Put your hand there and then do this like option. Do this back as well. That's it. And the back of this one. Sugar. Give me your hand so I can take off this. I know it's still wet. It's still wet.
Auntie, can you pass her to me?
Oh, can I pass her to him? All right. What do you want, babes? You want me to pass her to you? Oh,
Wait,
look.
Pumpkin, wait.
First time with Big Brother.
Wait, Pumpkin, wait.
Look,
You're gonna
she
get her.
knows.
You're gonna get her. You're gonna get her.
She knows you're here,
You're
Tyler.
gonna get her.
She knows you're
Wait,
here.
Pumpkin, wait.
Look at him.
Honey, can you come around and snap some pictures when Tyler has? Don't cry, brother.
Shh. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, Ty. Oh.
Put your hand here.
He's singing to her. It's still working, right? Yeah.
No honey in the mouth. Brother said no honey in the mouth. Wait, you soon give her a gift. You soon give her a gift. You see her finally? Give her a kissy here.
Oh.
Oh, you see sister? What you say you're gonna sing to her if she cries?
Oh, and she likes it. She likes it.
And she cried and he didn't work and I sing a la la la.
And it worked.
You love her?
Yes, can I give her a gift?
You want to give her a gift?
Yeah.
Alright, you're gonna give her a gift and she's gonna give you hers, okay? Alright, there you go. This is from Brother Pumpkin. You want to pull it for her?
Yeah.
Alright, you have to go down on the floor. Wait. Let me take her up first. You have to be careful, okay? Go down on the floor. Go down on the ground, Pumpkin. You're gonna open it for her?
Yes.
Alright. Auntie there?
Hi, sugar.
Auntie, is
She-
that
Mwah, Puru puru. Oh.
Mama?
Oh. Yes, you can tell. You open your eye. Oh, look. Turn it up the right way. Let me see what it is. Wow. Put him up.
To go up.
Daddy, ask Daddy. Ask Daddy. Oh.
Look what brother got you. Oh, she opened her eye to it.
My love, let me
Look
see.
at her looking at it.
Oh. She's like, what's that, big brother?
That's what brother
that?
got you. Alright, now it's time for you to give brother what you got here. Alright, will let Papa help you. Ooh. That's what baby sister got you. Look. Go down. Open it down on the
I
floor.
can open it.
Down
later.
on the floor. On the
I
floor.
can open
Yeah, I know, but on the floor, Pumpkin. Your socks fall off.
I want to hold this child.
When you put
You
on
know.
camera.
Right?
You can give me camera again so you can hold on.
I want to hold this baby. Mm. Mm. Okay. Oh my gosh, let's have a look at you. Oh my bully. Oh, bully. I've forgotten what to do. Oh, look at her. Look at her. This was inside of you. This big old thing. Look at her.
What baby sister got you?
I like it.
Your favorite? The one you wanted?
Hi, bully.
The one you wanted? Yeah, give her a kiss and say thank you, sister.
Give her a kiss.
Oy.
Now can I clean it?
Yes, but you have to go in a
Look at her
corner
head here.
somewhere, okay?
Her head up
Honey,
here.
give him a little corner somewhere. Or a table, on the space on the table.
Look at her head up here. You see?
Good.
Pleasure.
Tell her see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Alright.
Are you gonna be nice with Auntie Jen?
See you tomorrow, Sawa. I'm Mr. Pata, Auntie Jen. I'm gonna go with Papa eat the
Hi guys, so this is dinner time from baby. It's a little bit dark because baby sister, well, Sarah is sleeping.
You say baby sister?
Yeah, that's what I call her. So you having dinner, wonderful dinner, hospital dinner, or this hospital is good
This
food?
hospital food is not hospital food, it's real food. Tastes a little bit bland sometimes, some dishes, but they carry a salt or sugar. So you always have options. So
make it taste a little more tasty. But I'm having soup.
Let me show.
It looks like vegetable soup. I can't tell you what kind of vegetables in it.
It's vegetable soup. I think it's pomme de terre, potatoes, and something else. It have to be something else because it's green.
And it's, what is this? Yogurt.
Yogurt.
And this one is, it's like yogurt too. This is a salad. This is a salad. Like, baby will have to tell you what's in this one. Look like couscous and carrot.
Yes, tabouleh.
And zucchini and different vegetables in this one. So I'm definitely gonna try and eat it.
You have the sauce on the side, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna eat with and without.
It's here. And then they bring me bread, which I always love. And then there's an omelette under here, which is hot and ready to go. So
I like omelette.
That's what I'm having for dinner. Baby girl over here sleeping. Which looks like she about to wake any minute.
So what should I say? Bon appetit?
Let's see.
Here is your baby, your big baby. Big one.
She's out? Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.
Hello. Come on, catch. Your baby. Yeah.
Oh my
Great.
gosh.